Hi guys, Dave Shopius here. Today I'm up in Long Island. It was a long way away from my robot lab in Florida, but I'm up here helping a friend with this robot that I built for him a couple years ago and doing some upgrades and some new scripting and stuff. Some things weren't acting just right for him, so I flew up here, spent a couple days, and I've got him working really good now. I have some videos. I have a bunch of videos of this guy when I was building them and the end result. But I thought I'd just kind of give you a fresh one to look at. He's this is the one that has got all the Billy Mooney signatures and Judy, Marta Kristen, and a bunch of others guys on here. But when I got it, if you recall, if you saw any of my other videos, he was kind of a mess when I first got him. It took me a year and a half to put him together and rebuild him and do all the electronics. And he does a lot of stuff. I'm going to give you a couple of demonstrations of what his arms come in and out, his claws rotate. Those are Robert Rossi's claws on him. They're just beautiful. The centers rotate. Oh, here he goes. He's in a personality mode right now, kind of showing off what he does. It's he's being powered by Arc, Cynthium's Arc robot software over Wi-Fi. So that was good. He gave you a little bit of a demonstration. His arms come in and out too. He also has a power pack pull here. And let me show you what happens. I don't know if I can do this. I'll back up really quick. I'll pull the pack and back up. Okay, he kind of goes dead. Everything shuts down, but the computer's still running. He just looks like he's dead. I'll put it back in.
Where am I? Who turned out the lights? Now I remember. Which way did they go, partner?
Okay, well that's kind of an easy one. I'd like to show you a couple more of the more complicated ones that show off a lot of his stuff. I made in Arc here. I made an interface builder. They have an interface builder where you can get away from the main control look. This. You have different screens for different controllers, all sound controllers and stuff and soundboards.
Atmospheric conditions indicate the possibility of a shift in the space-time continuum.
So those are the soundboards, but to make it a lot easier to control, he's controlled through voice recognition too. But I built this interface builder with all the commands and stuff that I have for the voice control. And he does like impressions of all the characters and other robots and stuff. And he can do things like, say hello, goodbye, what date is it, what time is it, for example. What time is it, robot?
The time is now 13 minutes past 2 o'clock.
Okay, cool. And what date is it, robot? Oh, wait a minute. He's moving over there. I don't like to do things animated when he's moving around a personality loop. Okay, I think he's done. Okay, what time is it? He's still personality in. His claws are going in and out, you can see. He's busy right now. Then I'll ask him what the date is. You see his radar's going. He's getting you a good show right now. Most what he can do. Okay. All right, let's do it. What date is it, robot?
Today is Thursday, May 8th.
Okay. So, I'm gonna have him do some impressions for you. Pardon my camera taking. Robot, Can you do impersonations?
I know. It is showtime.
Okay, he did Wally
It has
for you.
been my pleasure to serve you.
Yeah, my pleasure to watch you. Robot, do some more impersonations.
Let's rock.
Oh, he's gonna do Wally again. Sometimes he repeats himself.
What else do I do?
Yeah, what else you do?
Richard Tufeld.
Oh, the robot's voice.
We left our small party of space colonists as they began their first test drilling for radioactive materials. Materials that could be transformed into enough atomic fuel to lift their disabled spaceship off this strange and alien planet.
I know. Jonathan Harris.
Dr. Smith.
Believe me, Major, I have the deepest admiration for your remarkable ingenuity. But nothing pleases me more than to be proved wrong.
Or I
May
could.
I be excused? My power pack needs.
Oh, no, you can't. Let's do another one by Dr. Smith.
Please stand by.
His arm's coming out.
Jonathan Harris.
Wow! Good heavens!
Hasta la vista, baby.
And arms go back. They only came out a little bit there. You know what I'm going to do for you guys? I'm going to show you some of the more complex ones. There's a War of the Robots skit, okay, from the episode War of the Robots, where the two of them are going head to head. This one's pretty complicated. I'm going to start it up and get a little close so you can watch what's going on, okay? Here we go. Stand by. This is going to take a while.
Affirmative.
It is time we talk.
Proceed.
Now that I have full operational capabilities, your services will no longer be required.
So watch his arms and watch his lights.
By the Robinsons. I was also here first.
The principle of first come, first served is an old-fashioned concept.
My programming has been extensive. My memory banks contain much knowledge.
In comparison to myself, you are very ignorant.
I have 110 computer units which all function perfectly.
You are obviously of a very primitive design. From now on, I will serve the Robinsons. In all ways, I am superior to you. Since there is no need for two of us, you will leave.
The Robinsons belong to me. I will not give up my family.
The choice is not yours. Already, you know what is happening. The Robinsons prefer me. In a short while, I will be indispensable to them, while you will be relegated to the role of an inactive bystander.
You are mistaken. Your efforts will be denied by me.
You are even more stupid than I first computed. My path is clear, computed. My path is clear.
Be strong. I can stop you.
I am armed not only with superior mental powers, but superior weapons as well.
You will be stopped.
I can destroy you easily, foolish, sad machine. There can be no fight between us. It would never be a contest. You need a small demonstration of my powers.
Oop, he's dead. Lights are off.
A small reminder of what is in store for you if I am provoked.
All right. That kind of shows off everything he can do. I got some other animations in him, but I'm going to end it right here. Just wanted to show off a little bit and entertain you guys and show you what can be done, okay, and what I did. I'll talk to you next time. Have a good one. Bye bye.